In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we completed the chapter that was known as theories and frameworks and discourse analysis. Today, we are going to open and start the new chapter, and it is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is also pronounced sociolinguistics. What is sociolinguistics? What does sociolinguistics tell us? And what are some examples of sociolinguistics? Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. It scrutinizes and examines that how language use varies based on social factors such as ethnicity, social class, gender, age, geographic locations, and cultural background. Sociolinguistics explores how language reflects our cultural identities or our identities. It also examines that how language reinforces social inequalities and power dynamics. It tells us that how language varies across different social contexts and how language varies due to different revolutions which occur in the world with the passage of time. Listeners and audience, as I told you, that sociolinguistics examines how language use varies based on social factors. Like social class. Social class refers to a group of people within a society who share same cultural, social, and economic status. And social class, we have, for example, upper class, lower class, and working class, underclass, and middle class. Language also varies in social class. For example, in social class, if we make a comparison, so take the example of working class and also upper class. The upper class, a person from the upper class would say, I shall go to the store. I shall visit the store. While a person with working class would say, I'm gonna go to the store. Or I'm gonna go to the store. This is the difference. And language also varies based on another factor such as ethnicity. Ethnicity refers to a group of people who share same cultural identities like customs, tradition, beliefs. So one cultural people, they would say, what's up? For example, take the example of Africa. They would say, what's up? It means, how are you? And when we are talking about standard ethnicity or language related to America, so they will say, hi, how are you? So based on ethnicity and culture, their language also vary. Language varies based on this factor as well, like gender. Male make the use of direct language, active voice. Female make the use of indirect language, passive voice. Language varies based on our age as well. The youth, the young, mostly they make the use of informal language, slang words. And the aged people, they make the use of formal words, standard varieties, standard language. And and when we're talking about across cultures, so language also varies across culture. So this is all about the explanation of social linguistics. Now, what we will further discuss and social linguistics. And social linguistics, we will discuss accent, dialect, varieties, standard varieties, low varieties, uh, high dialect, low dialect, accent, and language variations, language death. Related to this, idiolect, sociolect, slangs, taboo, and so many other topics. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.